Welcome back to the Innovation Station. We're excited to meet you in this exciting world of technology news and innovation. Today we're going to take you on a fascinating journey through the exciting fields of agriculture, construction, and industry. Get ready to explore incredible technical solutions and unique engineering developments with us. Let's dive into the world of snow removal. This is a critical seasonal task that ensures the safety and functionality of roads, streets, and walkways in winter. The Overassen UTV 175 and Overassen UTV 300 are formidable machines that combine power and precision for efficient snow and ice removal. These machines are equipped with advanced technologies, including powerful snowplows and de-icing systems, making them indispensable for municipal and commercial snow removal. From clearing highways to maintaining airport runways, these machines play a key role in keeping transportation systems operational and safe in harsh winter conditions. These processes are essential to maintaining daily life and commerce in regions prone to heavy snowfall, which underscores the vital role snowplows play in keeping communities alive in winter. Explore the fascinating realm of excavating medium to hard rock with the Komatsu PC 450LC, Antraquip AQ5, and Antraquip AQ4XLN. In the world of rock excavation, precision and power are paramount, and these machines are at the forefront of the industry. The Komatsu PC 450LC is a heavyweight in the field, renowned for its exceptional performance when facing demanding excavation tasks in challenging rock formations. On the other hand, the Antraquip AQ5 and AQ4XLN rock grinders are specialized marvels engineered to crush and grind rock effectively. Their niche lies in tunneling, mining, and geotechnical applications, where their prowess in breaking down medium to hard rock formations is unmatched. These machines are pivotal in various projects, from carving underground passages and creating stable foundations to extracting valuable minerals from the earth. Dive into the world of ditch cleaning, a crucial operation that ensures efficient water flow in drainage systems and agricultural ditches. This process involves the removal of sediment, debris, and vegetation that can obstruct the flow of water, leading to flooding or reduced irrigation efficiency. Various specialized equipment, including excavators and dredgers, is employed to scoop out accumulated material and restore proper ditch functionality. Ditch cleaning is vital for maintaining the integrity of drainage systems in both urban and rural areas, preventing waterlogging and ensuring optimal land use. Whether it's clearing roadside ditches, agricultural canals, or urban stormwater drains, this process plays a pivotal role in managing water resources and safeguarding against water-related issues. Delve deeper into the realm of clearing new farmland with the Meripete RT600TT, an innovative machine that revolutionizes land preparation for agriculture. This intricate process involves transforming wild, untamed land into fertile, arable fields, ready for crop cultivation. The Meripete RT600TT stands out as a technological marvel, combining advanced engineering and cutting-edge technology to efficiently clear land on various scales, from small agricultural plots to extensive farming operations. It excels at removing vegetation, rocks, and debris, ensuring that the land is perfectly primed for planting crops. By converting previously unusable terrain into productive farmland, this machine plays a pivotal role in expanding global agricultural capabilities. Embark on a high-flying agricultural adventure as we explore the fascinating world of fertilizing fields from a helicopter. This aerial operation combines precision and efficiency to nourish vast expanses of crops with essential nutrients. Using specialized helicopters equipped with cutting-edge technology, this process allows for the precise and even distribution of fertilizers. It's particularly valuable for large-scale agricultural operations where efficiency and coverage are paramount. As the helicopter hovers over the fields, it releases fertilizers in a controlled manner, ensuring that crops receive the right amount of nutrients. This aerial approach not only saves time, but also reduces the impact of heavy machinery on the fields. Dive deeper into the fascinating world of pumpkin picking with the Modi KX4. This essential agricultural operation combines precision and efficiency to harvest pumpkins, a cherished symbol of the fall season. The Modi KX4 is a specialized machine designed to delicately pluck pumpkins from the vines, ensuring minimal damage to these vibrant and nutritious fruits. Utilizing advanced technology and expert engineering, it carefully navigates the fields, identifying ripe pumpkins and gently collecting them for further processing or distribution. This mechanized approach significantly reduces the labor and time required for pumpkin harvesting, making it an invaluable tool for both small-scale growers and large commercial farms. Whether destined for carving jack-o'-lanterns, transforming into delicious pies, or adorning seasonal decorations, the Modi KX4 ensures a plentiful harvest of pumpkins that enrich our autumn traditions and delight our taste buds.
Explore the world of firewood harvesting, a fundamental process for ensuring a sustainable source of heating and energy. This operation blends precision and efficiency to cut and prepare firewood for various purposes, for heating homes to fueling fireplaces and stoves. Advanced machinery and expert techniques play a pivotal role in optimizing the efficiency of firewood harvesting, ensuring minimal waste and environmental impact. From dense forests to rural homesteads, this process supports self-sufficiency and responsible land management practices. Stay tuned to learn more about advanced technologies and their profound impact on various industries.
The world of hammer forging is a fascinating and time-honored metallurgical process that combines power and precision to transform raw metal into a variety of shapes. This method involves the use of a jackhammer, a sturdy mechanical device designed to deliver controlled and repeated blows to a metal billet. These metered blows, which are skillfully controlled by skilled blacksmiths, allow metal to be carefully shaped and contoured to create complex and durable components. Hammer forging covers a wide range of industries, including the creation of fine ironwork, artistic sculptures, and critical components for the aerospace and automotive industries. This process seamlessly combines tradition and technology, as modern jackhammers are equipped with advanced control and safety systems that increase productivity and worker safety. In the metalworking industry, forging with jackhammers is a symbol of craftsmanship, transforming raw metal into functional and artistic masterpieces that form the basis of modern infrastructure and everyday life.
Explore the intricate world of underwater facility maintenance, where highly skilled divers play a crucial role in supporting the operation of treatment facilities. Working in challenging underwater environments, these divers conduct a wide range of tasks, including inspections, repairs, and maintenance, to ensure the proper functioning of critical infrastructure like sewage treatment plants and water purification facilities. Their efforts are vital for maintaining water quality, preventing environmental pollution, and safeguarding the health of ecosystems. These dedicated professionals face unique challenges and demands in their work, making it a fascinating and essential field within the realm of underwater operations. Ship unloading is a critical component of the global supply chain. This process involves carefully and efficiently transferring various types of cargo from ships to their intended destinations. Whether it's containerized goods or bulk cargo, the precise coordination of equipment and personnel is crucial. Advanced technology often comes into play to optimize this operation, ensuring that goods are swiftly and safely transported to markets and consumers. From major ports and bustling cities to more remote harbors, the significance of ship unloading cannot be overstated, as it underpins global trade and commerce, facilitating the movement of goods across the world. Thank you for joining our exciting journey into the world of agricultural machinery, ingenious tools, and advanced technology. To keep up with the latest updates, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. See you soon!